Hello and hi everyone. We are from Group 9. I am Ainul Fariha binti Hari Fazila. My teammate is Fatih Nur Izzati, Ufa Zakira, Nasuha and Maisara. We will talk about the furniture company, which is Furnitech Industries SDN-BHD. In this video, we will talk about company background, division analysis, accounting system, management concept, and evaluation and recommendation. As for the introduction of the company, the founder of this company is Nik Ahmad Arifin. This company is a family business company, and this name of the company is Furnitech Industry SDN-BHD, but the branding of their product is Nik Furn, which is their product is the furniture. They are furniture manufacturers. So the Nik Furn is based on Nik is from their family name, and Furn is furniture. The company established in 1996. The showroom is on 2014. They located in the Gombak Batu Cave, Selangor. Type of the product is custom made, which they custom their customer furniture based on their needs. And the best selling product of them is Sila armchair. Next, I will talk about staff, target customer and supply. For the staff, they have 9 staff, which is for factory they have 6 staff, for administration 2, and they also have professional designer 1%. And then the target customer is end user, because they sell the custom made product, so they have to satisfy their customer needs. The customer mostly from the government office and hotel. For the supplier, most of the supply came from Malaysian itself, and for the woods and so on. For the fabrics, the supplier is from Thailand and Vietnam. The vision of Furnitech Industry is the company aims to be an established brand in the customized furniture industry. It targets to maintain a personal touch with encouraging innovative and sustainable practice. The company seeks to be a trusted collaborator in developing customer ideas into unique and classic furniture pieces that enhance homes and living. The goal of the company is to create great customized furniture that represent the different tastes and demands of its customer. The company is committed to delivering high quality workmanship, personalized service, and unique design. By working directly with clients, this company guarantees that each piece is useful, visually appealing, and specific to their individual needs. There are several types of products that this company produces, which is sofa, bar stool, armchair, bedding, ottoman and coffee table, also dining chair. There's a lot type of sofa like Dove sofa, Mono sofa and Andres sofa. But there's the best selling product is still Sila armchair.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nasuha binti Mahmud. My metric number is 2228854. I will explain about division, which are strategic business unit analysis. Okay, the topmost box in the organizational chart is the highest level of authority, which is the CEO, Encik Ahmad Arifin. He has the ultimate responsibility for all decisions made by the organizations. Also, this position is supported by the manager, Nik Nur Shahira. She is represent the one who will report anything about company to the CEO. In this context, she has also been running 2 positions in the departments, which are marketing and financial. Not to forget, she also responsible to control other employees in their specific of departments. Last but not least, the lowest position within an organization is operational employee, which are Admin 1, Admin 2, Professional Carpenter, Production 1, and Production 2. They all contribute on the essential for the smooth operation and progress of the business from the scratch to the end.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ufa Zakira binti Zulkifli, metric number 2313784. So I will present about the company accounting system. After we had an interview with the company, so we analyzed that the company are using a job costing order, since they are taking a customized order from the customer. And normally, the customer will go to the different company to customize the furniture with the criteria they want. And also for each product or each furniture will differ in terms of pricing and cost, because it depends on the material used for the furniture and also the direct labor. For the cost of overhead, they are using a predetermined overhead instead of the actual overhead, which means that they allocate some rate for the overhead cost for both admin and also the factory. They have some percentage. So for the cost drivers, they are using a direct labor hour. This is a Sila armchair, a Netflix bestseller and also a signature for this company product. Okay, because the Sila armchair was designed by its founder, Nik Ahmad Arifin. Sila originates from the Malay word duduk bersila, sitting cross-legged, which represent the traditional Malaysian sitting posture, combined with the weavings of the quintessentially Malaysian rattan used as the back side of this white armchair. This design a mix of the classics and also a modern design. The Sila armchair story is begin because of the founder Nik Ahmad Arifin saw that a woman sitting on the chair and they have expensive bags like a Gucci, Prada, and LV and so on. They put their expensive handbag on the floor. So the Sila armchair is designed intentionally wide because so that they can put their handbags, all the expensive handbag beside them instead of on the floor. There are two types of Sila armchair. Okay, so for the price with the 3,800, they are using a leather and also a walnut. A walnut wood is imported from the outside, which from the another country. So that's why the price is a bit expensive comparing with the Sila armchair that use a local woods and also just a fabric, just a normal fabric. So for the local woods, the price is 2,500 only. It's likely more cheaper than the leather and a walnut one. We can see that from the price, it will differ because of the direct material use. Okay, and the costing also will differs. This is a costing list for the Sila armchair. We take from the Sila armchair because it's a best seller product. So this is the raw material. The raw material, it can differ based on the order from the customer, whether they want for the walnut woods or the leather, in terms of the fabric and also the local woods. Okay, so this is the raw material. We assume that we use a local wood. So there's solid wood, rattan, plywood, sponge, polyester, kain belaco, kain leather and wood style. For the direct labor, in the factory they have a 6 direct labor. 2% is in charge for the wooden frame. It also recognized as a skilled worker, tukang kayu. So 1% it is in charge for the wood protection, 1% in charge for the sponge paste. They have a 1 tailor and also 1% in charge for the assembly. For the overhead, they don't have much. They just have a transportation for the direct material, for the rental factory and also insurance factory. For the overhead cost, the company put a portion rate for the overhead for each month sales. For the examples, for January, they made a sales of 100,000, and then from the sales they have a 30% rate for the wages, 20% rate for the bills, including admin and also the factory. The wages is calculated based on the direct labor hour, and the two skills workers, which is a tukang kayu, will be paid higher than the general worker. For the two skilled worker, the company paid them RM10 ringgit per hour, while the another four direct labor, the company paid them RM8 ringgit per hour.
So next, we will move on to the management concept. So management concept is basically the principles and functions that guide leaders and managers in achieving organizational goals. So like other companies, Nick Firm has these four key concepts that applies in the company, which are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. So we will be explaining how Nick Firm applies these key concepts in the company one by one. So first one is the planning. So Nick Firm has a very systematic planning to accomplish the company mission, visions, and objective. So to maximize customer satisfaction, they make effort to connect with each other and always update, follow up with their customers about their orders or their preference of their product. So they will make the product to maximize the customer satisfactions. So in order to complete the custom furniture, and usually they have a 1 month period to make the product and also to deliver. So within 1 month, they have a specific plan to each production stage, and they also allocate resources, source materials, and also organize the budget. So the material will not exceed the budget. If they exceed the budget, then they will discuss and then choose the best option to organize it. So along with the advising the company on goods, they also set yearly sales target and develop marketing strategies. One of the effort to promote their company and products more is like attending expos to reach wider audience and more targeted customers and also clients. So the next management concept used in NICFirm is organizing. So to create a product, NICFirm usually assign responsibility to different tasks. So for example, the most popular product, the Sila armchair, the product needs a power of 5 people to actually produce the product. So as you can see in the table, they for 5 people, every different person will have different tasks, which are the first one is creating wooden frame, and the second person will be responsible for wood cutting. Next person is spine. The next person is sewing the product and also install frames. So following step by step and by assigning different tasks to different people, they will slowly create a good chemistry, and then the product will be done within allocated time. So with space set aside for cutting, assembling, and finishing the product, the firm also create a workshop that can maximize productivity of the coach. The next one is leading. So basically, of course, in a company, they also need to have a team that can work together to achieve company goals and also to maximize profit, which definitely the goals of every company, right? So they could also have this team that have the common goal. So this can be created from a leader, from a manager that can lead well, right? So they also have it in the mid firm. The manager always respond to client complaints and do corrective actions and also serve an example, show moral ethics to the other employees and customers to show the morality and the standard to become manager and leader. That how a good leader becomes a good leader. And the last one and the fourth management concept applies in Nickfirm is controlling. So every work movement is constantly being tracked in Nickfirm, which is every part process of the production, also administration will be tracked to make everything goes according to the plan. So, for example, examining the furniture quality at various stages, not only at the end of the production, but every stage of production can make it satisfies the customers, and also with our Nick from production team can detect what's problems, or maybe the customer is not like the frames or the craft or the drawing. So with they are examining the furniture quality at every stages, this can makes every party satisfied. So it is one of their controlling efforts. In order to keep the project under budget, they will either fix it or come up with another option. So with that, everyone, customers and the production team will be happy.
Next, we move on to evaluation and recommendation. What are the issues and challenges have been faced by Nick Furniture Corporation? The first one is material supplier. Since they are made a custom product that follow the customer wants, sometimes it is difficult for them to find the right material required by the customer, especially when they need to get the material from the other country. They need to wait for a long time and tell the customers to give them time to finish the product. Usually, the company will ask for 1 month period to completing the product. Same goes with the design. They need to prepare early to get the exact design that follow the customer wants. Also, the design quite hard and they want to avoid the mistake taken before started to build the furniture. Other than that, the company has faced the issue on the workers' behavior. Some of them not attend to the works and did not inform their absence to the manager. Also, coming late to the works is something is not good for the workers show a bad attitude. Other than that, the lack of worker skills since most of the workers is from the elderly. The young generations now is more into technical or technology skills, or we can say that office environment. The last one is facing the unsatisfied customer because of the customized items being rejected and need to bear a huge loss. So this is the recommendation to overcome the problem that occurs. So the first one is the materials can be ordered earlier before started to process the product, which is can be done 2 months before, or we can do it on time once receive the order from the customer. The second one is conduct a program or seminar to give the specialized to the young generations to soften their skills. Since the new furniture have a lot of experience in handling the manufacturing industry, they can do or having a stock session to attract more young generations involved in the industry, or promote their company by doing an exhibitions in their showrooms or in the company itself. The third one is keep detect the attendance of the workers by having a punch card or thumbprint machine. Although the installation cost of the thumbprint machine is high, but it is relevant to the company detect the attendance of the workers and can give the penalty to them if they not attend to the works for more than 5 times. The last one is the company can do a survey on customers' favorite design within and outside the company to get more ideas. It is the role of the manager to reach out the others company to share their ideas each other and get inspired by others design to get more ideas so that they can expand their business more wide.